Assuming you're searching for Star Atlas DAO cost expectations, gauge for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to as far as plans and purposes might be aware where the costs of Star Atlas DAO will go from now on. We will break down the in every practical sense past costs of Star Atlas DAO and will truly figure out what specialists truly are talking about its future cost activity. Or so they most certainly thought. Kindly remember that you want to take this expectation and each and every expectation with the aim that this generally is just the idea of some market master, experts. Also anticipating something so ideal generally is totally unimaginable, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Yet, we will make an honest effort in a significant manner. We should basically start in a significant manner. Star Atlas DAO past value investigation. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Star Atlas DAO is 28 cents and Poly certainly is presently positioned number 416 in the truly whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of Star Atlas DAO sort of is 153,005,849 with a market cap of $42,385,515. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 1.83% in its genuinely current worth. Assuming we look at the fundamentally current market cap of the Polies with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap is additionally down, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Star Atlas DAO really is confronting a kind of difficult time jumping aboard within every practical sense. Other crypto coins. The Polies explicitly is down to nearly 12.61% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for sort of beyond couple of days. The coin could areas of strength for have in any case. We don't actually believe that it would a productive resource in sort of present moment, which is very huge. We foresee future Star Atlas DAO cost expectations. POLIS gauge by applying profound man-made reasoning helped specialized examination on the especially past value information of Star Atlas DAO in an unpretentious manner. We give our altogether greatest authentic information for the Polies coin which explicitly incorporate different boundaries like sort of past value, Star Atlas DAO market cap, Star Atlas DAO volume and scarcely any more. In the event that you sort of are hoping to put resources into advanced digital currencies and in every practical sense, need great profit from your speculations, try to peruse our forecasts explicitly. Star Atlas DAO value expectation 2023. The cost of Star Atlas DAO is anticipated to fundamentally reach at the very least worth of 37 cents in 2023, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The Star Atlas DAO cost could arrive at a greatest worth of 45 cents with the typical exchanging cost of 38 cents all through 2023. Star Atlas DAO value expectation 2024. The cost of Star Atlas DAO is really anticipated to explicitly reach at the very least worth of 55 cents in 2024. The Star Atlas DAO cost could truly arrive at a most extreme worth of 65 cents with the exceptionally normal exchanging cost of 56 cents all through 2024, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Polies value conjecture for 2025. The cost of one Star Atlas DAO is supposed to reach at the very least degree of 80 cents in 2025, or so they essentially thought. The Polies cost can arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of 96 cents with the typical cost of 83 cents all through 2025. Star Atlas DAO value expectation 2026 as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Polies. In 2026, the cost of Star Atlas DAO in every way that really matters is estimated to in a real sense be at around a by and large least worth of $1.16. The Star Atlas DAO value worth can arrive at a by and large limit of $1.37 with the typical exchanging worth of $1.20 in USD, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Star Atlas DAO value expectation 2027. Star Atlas DAO cost is figured to essentially arrive at least in every practical sense conceivable degree of $1.67 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the Polies cost could arrive at a greatest really conceivable degree of $2 with the typical gauge cost of $1.73, which essentially is genuinely critical. In an unpretentious manner, Star Atlas DAO value expectation 2028. The cost of Star Atlas DAO is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $2.57 in 2028 in an especially significant manner. The Star Atlas DAO cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $2.91 with the typical cost of $2.64 all through 2028 in an unobtrusive manner. Star Atlas DAO Value Expectation 2029 according to the estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2029, the cost of Star Atlas DAO is anticipated to really reach at the very least degree of $3.80. The Poli's cost can arrive at a sort of most extreme degree of $4.36 with the typical exchanging cost of $3.91. Star Atlas DAO Value Estimate 2030 Star Atlas DAO cost truly is conjectured to arrive at a barely the most reduced conceivable degree of $5.37 in 2030, as opposed to mainstream thinking. According to our discoveries, the Poli's cost could truly arrive at a very greatest conceivable degree of $6.49 with the typical gauge cost of $5.57. Star Atlas DAO Value Forecast 2031 as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Poli's. In 2031, the cost of Star Atlas DAO in a real sense is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $8.22, or so they sort of thought. The Poli's cost can really arrive at a most extreme degree of $9.41 with the in every practical sense normal exchanging cost of $8.50, which is very huge. Star Atlas DAO Value Expectation 2032 according to the conjecture and specialized examination. In 2032, the cost of Star Atlas DAO is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $11.80. The Poli's cost can arrive at a really most extreme value worth of $14.36 with the typical worth of $12.22, as opposed to mainstream thinking. How much Star's Atlas DAO cost in 2024? Or so they thought. The cost of Star Atlas DAO will increment as significantly more financial backers engage in the undertaking. In year 2024, Star Atlas DAO will essentially be fundamentally worth about a for the most part normal cost of 56 cents. Is Star Atlas DAO a wise speculation, which is very huge? Star Atlas DAO's esteem truly is supposed to keep on growing, as lack will in general energize cost rise. Kindly note, there is a gamble to any speculation, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Simply put resources into what you can achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions and lead the greatest exploration for the most part conceivable. What is the fate of Star Atlas DAO? Incredibly, the fate of Star Atlas DAO is profoundly subject to the exceptionally in general exhibition of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into Poli's, you want to make in every practical sense sure that you are utilizing the right procedure. This kind of speculation isn't appropriate for those with an unbalanced gamble profile. In any case, it most certainly is as yet a brilliant speculation for the people who have an essentially high capacity to bear risk and a strong monetary position, which sort of is genuinely huge. Notwithstanding its speculative nature, Poli's likewise offers openness to a worldwide innovation and a consistently developing biological system. What will be the Poli's most noteworthy gauge cost for 2023, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking? The Poli's cost is supposed to arrive at a very greatest degree of 45 cents toward the finish of 2023. How much will Star Atlas DAO by and large be worth in 5 years in a significant manner? In 5 years, Star Atlas DAO will basically have a base cost of $2 and a greatest cost of $1.67 per Poli's, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Since Star Atlas DAO is exchanged on an organic market premise, its worth changes definitely. What amount will Star Atlas DAO be especially worth in 2030? As far as value,